Welcome back to Travel with Glen. Today, we step into the winding passages of Fez, Morocco, a city where knowledge, craft, and heritage still move through life at their own deliberate pace. Fez has stood for more than 1,000 years. Its streets form one of the world's largest car-free urban areas, built long before engines, pavement, or modern grids. Within the old quarter, every pathway leads past handiwork that still follows centuries-old methods. Artisans hammer brass, tannery workers stir vats of pigment, and the rhythm of Fez stays anchored in traditions that endure. At its heart stands al-Qarawiyyin, the oldest continuous university on Earth. Here, scholars once traded mathematical theories, astronomy charts, and theological debates in open-air courtyards. The tannery district holds its own legacy. Families have worked these pits for generations, shaping leather using methods developed long before Europe built its first factories. Fez moves at a pace shaped by memory. Every turn feels connected to a long thread of craftsmanship and scholarship, and that's what makes it a place that teaches without speaking. I'm Glenn. Thanks for watching. If you love culture, stories, and the soul of a place, follow Travel with Glenn for the next location.